Hey guys, what's up? My name is Chris. First off, I want to apologize for not making any videos on YouTube for a while. I've been really busy. Today is not going to be a tutorial as such, but we are going to look at a hard drive that I dug out that I found out was dead. So we're going to have a look at one of these. I got two dead hard drives, but this is the one we're going to have a look at. What we're going to do is plug up to the computer, and hopefully you hear it for clicking and beeping. And after we've done that, we'll unplug it from the computer. We'll bring it back over to by here. We'll take these screws off here and have a look inside, and I'll explain what the parts are and how it works. So we'll go over to the computer and let's go take a look at this hard drive. So just so you guys know, that was a little bit of a pre-record of me testing that to show you guys. I found that it was a little bit dodgy. 1 minute it will click and beep, next minute it will just hear this spinning up, and that's about it. But it's definitely dead, it's definitely not working. So let's open this bad boy up and let's go take a look. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to see if I can bring the camera down a little bit so you can see the hard drive as I'm trying to open it. Right, let's try that. So let's try that. Use our dead hard drive and let's see if we can open it. So I got this little tool here to open it up. So let's go take a look, see if I can open this up, and let's have a look what's inside this thing. There you are. Now once I vote, one thing you never ever want to do either is open these hard drives and expect it to work later on. Once you open up and any dust or light gets onto the platters inside, then your drive is dead. So if you're trying to do data recovery and you've got to open a drive up, I would highly recommend you taking it to a data recovery company that has the proper tools and rooms called clean rooms to open these drives up to rescue data. So I'm going to finish undoing these through screws. I'm going to see if I can open this up then. Hopefully I will. Right, one more screw. Right, I don't know if I can just pull that open. Let's have a look. I got my trusty little penknife here that my friend Haley gave me. Thank you very much. It's going to come useful when I do things like this and unboxings. So let's see if I can open this up. I'm going to just try and do that around the sides. I don't know what that is there. Oh, hang on. Got that to pop that side. It's the first time I would ever open an hard drive. I've seen plenty of videos on YouTube of people opening hard drives and messing with them, but I've never done it myself. So I thought it's about time I did it. even though I've kind of popped it there, it doesn't still want to seem to come off. So I don't know if that's anything to do with these little clips here. No, it can't be. Perhaps I just used a bit of force on it, did I? That bit is open. What's getting stuck then? Ooh, hang on. Getting there slowly with it. I think where my knife is more or less where it is, I think that's the problem there. But a glue or something. Oh, Jesus Christ. We're opening it slowly. It's getting there. As you can see, you can start seeing some of the bits inside of there. This back bit here, I think. Oh, hang on, ha ha ha. I can see the problem. Oh, I'm a freaking idiot, honestly. There's another one right by there. See him? Where's he gone? Right by there. Let's undo that one. That may be the problem. Bit of plastic there, give rid of that. I should be able to access the screw. Here what? That's what a hard drive looks like. Well, a mechanical hard drive looks like. Most people be running something like this, except for solid state hard drives. You may be running them now if you bought a newish computer recently, and you know, and for us gamers and video editors and stuff. But and in most laptops, I think they may have a solid state hard drive. If you've got a low size hard drive, so like an 128 gig or 256 gig, something like that, you may have an SSD. But basically, this is what a mechanical hard drive looks like. This here is what you call the platter. That's where the data is stored onto. Then you have this arm that will go back and forth to read the data off this disk. So basically that spins at very high speeds. While that spins, this goes back and forth, like so. And that's how the hard drive works. So that's the platter. You've got the motor here. Make sure I'm in the camera properly. You've got the read and write heads just there. I don't know if you can see that there. This here, this is the read-write head. So that would read and write data to and from the hard drive. Also then got the arm. I think it's called an actuator arm, something like that. It's I think that's what you call the coil there. And basically that's all it looks like inside a hard drive. Now this drive is definitely dead now. There's no ands, ifs, buts, maybes about it. It's definitely dead now. I've put my fingers over it. I have fingerprints over it. I can see scratch marks where not I've done that myself, or if that's actually because the drive is dead. So I don't know if you can see that on camera. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but there's definitely scratch marks there. So this drive is officially dead. So guys, that's what a hard drive looks like inside. That's how it works. Like I said, you've got the platters that spin. You've got the actuator arms that goes back and forth over the platter. And on the end of the, you've got the read and write head that allows you to read and write data from the hard drive. So guys, yeah, that's quite interesting. Like I said, I've never opened a hard drive myself before. That was quite interesting to do it myself. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that, and I'll see you in my next video.